Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Prince Magnum channel where hot rodding and romance do coexist. I'm your host, Prince Magnum. Welcome to a really short do-it-yourself budget hot rodding. So short, in fact, we're not even going to bother doing a full-on, where we do a lot of editing and things like that. We'll do a video more in depth on this later. But for right now, this is going to be a kind of a quick video, maybe a couple of minutes long at the most. Many of you said that you want to get involved with helping with the damages that have happened to Project Spirit. Now, for those that don't know what happened to Project Spirit, let me step back. Yeah, that's a thing to our old girl, okay? You know, as the making of this short video, it's been almost 2 weeks since I nailed that deer with Project Spirit. Project Spirit really did save my life that day, okay? So now that I've said that, again, many of you said you wanted to get involved, you wanted to help with the rebuild, and are willing to donate. So that's what we're going to do tonight. At 6 o'clock Central Standard U.S. time, we're going to go live on Save the World Fortnite, okay? And it's going to be a marathon stream. And now that I've said that, if you're able to be there and you're able to donate, that's going to be wonderful. Thank you in advance, all right? If you're not able to donate, you still want to be there. Again, thank you in advance. And there is going to be merchandise commemorating the fact that we're taking an active role. You know, hashtag Save Project Spirit merchandise available in the Teespring store. Of course, as usual, the link will be in the description. So if you want to start, you want to get involved, of course, all the proceeds will go back into putting Project Spirit back together a lot quicker. And let me say, I know there's going to be some people who are going to say, well, why do you need the help? Let me say right now, many of you want Project Spirit back and going because you enjoy the content, okay? This is going to happen one way or the other. It's just going to be you guys that make it speed up. So that's where all this stands. So now that we're there, I'm going to go ahead and cut away because I actually have a friend that's about to say hi to me. That being said, get out there and work on a project. Don't care what it is, just do something with yourselves. Remember, idle hands and a creative mind go together like oil and water. If you got a sweetheart, sweep them off their feet and do something special for them today. And as always, for all of you out there, no one out there has told any of you that they love you today. Prince Magnum does. God bless you and have a happy 24. Thank you.